Greetings and welcome to another one of our videos. We'd like to invite you to listen to the last Voice of Yoga show that aired September 29th, 2025. The topic of that episode was, It's the Thought That Counts. Swami, your insights.
Potentially for humans, there are three modes of mortal thought and the operations of divine mind. How we think is what we become. The only choice that counts is knowing the truth.
Looking to change how you think? Well, listen to the podcast. Visit the website www.ipdtransform.com. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful Kriyoga revelation. Namaste.
Namaste.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya